Want to explode your local business's visibility and build trust without spending a fortune on ads? Then let's dive into the powerful world of gathering Google reviews, the old-fashioned way. Facetto face first. And this is crucial. Make sure you're delivering an exceptional experience every single time. Happy customers are far more likely to leave positive feedback. Next, identify those moments of customer delight. Did someone rave about your product? Did you solve a tricky problem for them? That's your cue. Politely ask if they'd be willing to leave a review. Simplify the process by having a QR code readily available that links directly to your Google review page. You can create this for free using a QR code generator online. Another option is to include a short, clear URL to your Google review page on your business cards, receipts, or even a small sign at the point of sale. Provide simple, step-by-step instructions, verbally and in writing. For example, just search for our business on Google, scroll down to the review section, and tap the stars to rate us. Always express your sincere gratitude, regardless of whether they leave a review or not. A genuine thank you goes a long way in building customer loyalty. By proactively soliciting reviews in person, you're not only boosting your online presence, but also strengthening relationships with your customers. So, get out there, provide amazing service, and start collecting those 5-star reviews.